2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, trip computer, compass, fog lights, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.